All right, here is our ride to Koh Mook. We have arrived at the Sivalai Resort on Koh Mook, and we're only here for one night, but we're really excited to get exploring.
Oh, you light up the sky when I look in your eyes. We're so young, we're so free, and we're out of our minds.
Welcome to Koh Mook.
We're here today in Koh Mook, and we are going to give you 3 things to know about the Sivalai Beach Resort.
Yes. So the first thing to know is that it's on the island of Koh Mook, and Koh Mook is an island in the southern province of Thailand, and it's super beautiful, surrounded by a lot of other islands, and there's not a lot of stuff going on here, so the resort is very remote feeling.
It's like a little oasis out in the middle of the Andaman Sea.
So how we got here was we hired a longtail boat to go from our last island to this island, and as we pulled up right up to the beach, the hotel staff came out, they helped us get our luggage off. It was really, really nice.
It was like door-to-door service. We left our last resort, got on the longtail for 20 minutes, and then we pulled up right on the beach. It was a really cool beach arrival.
Yep, and then they threw our luggage in a couple golf carts and wheeled us over to the reception center, and the staff here have just been amazing.
They've been so friendly. They always say Swadika, and they love playing with Liesel, and she's super happy to interact with them.
Yep. The second thing to know about the Koh Mook Sivalai Beach Resort is that each accommodation is its own little bungalow. So we have a little bungalow for ourselves, and then everybody else has their own little bungalow.
Super beautiful, really cute, like little beach huts.
Yeah, and we came in and we took a look around. It's really pretty. The staff was really helpful setting up a baby cot for Liesel, and there's mosquito netting just in case there's mosquitoes. It's really, really nice.
Yes.
And another fun fact about the bungalows here is that the resort is on a peninsula, so all the bungalows are not too far from the beach.
Hi!
Which leads us to number 3. This area is super, super pretty because it's on a peninsula. There's beaches on both sides. The water is just amazing. We took some drone footage and we couldn't be more amazed at what this looks like from above. Hi, Liesel. Even Liesel liked it.
Yeah, there's a great restaurant. There's beautiful pools. The water for swimming is obviously awesome.
Yep.
And there's a nice little spa, and you can even do a toddler massage.
Yeah.
Which we didn't have time to do, but you can.
Yes. But anyways, that's our 3 things about the Koh Mook Sivalai Beach Resort. Thank you guys for watching, and if you're ever heading this way, be sure to check these guys out.
All right. Bye.
Bye.